Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with bestrugprices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to talk about laundry room flooring. But before I jump into showing you one of our favorite floors for laundry rooms, I want to tell you briefly a little bit about our website and some of the things that we can offer you. What you're looking at is the front page of our website. It's bestrugprices.com, and we have three sections to our page. We have a main page, which you're looking at right now. We have a Ask the Flooring Pro section, and we have a Be Floored blog. So on our main page, what we do is we make buying recommendations to our customers on everyday area rugs. You know, it's very difficult these days to just find an affordable, everyday, pretty area rug for your home. Most of your local stores have gotten out of the area rug business. You have to shop online to find your rug. And so, what we do for our customers is we scan the internet on a regular basis and we make buying recommendations on where to go to get the best deals. And this saves our customers a lot of time and aggravation in trying to find a rug for their home. And so, our page is very simple to use. Let's say you know what style of rug you're looking for. We have it separated that way. You can get a plush rug or a traditional rug, solid color rug, and so forth. Well, let's say you have no idea what kind of style of rug you want. You're just looking for something nice that has the right colors to it. But you do know the size of your room that you're looking for. So, well, you can shop by size too. 8 by 10 and 9 by 12 and 5 by 8 and so on. As we scroll down, we have specials that we offer all the time, and that's pretty much it. It's just a very, very simple site to use. But at the front of the page, we have special deals going on every month. This month, we found a source that has an incredible deal going on with area rugs. They're all under $100 that we're promoting. It's just a very simple site. But what it does do is instead of you know, having you have to go through 5 or 6 different websites and searching all over the place for area rugs, you can come to our site and we're going to have a recommendation for you. And it's just a great way to cut down on your shopping time, kickstart your shopping experience, and hopefully find a rug that's going to work for you that not only you're going to like, but it's at a great price and you're going to get it quickly. The second part of our site is called Ask the Flooring Pro, and I'm going to switch to that real quickly. And basically what this is we get asked floor covering questions every single day on all kind of different topics. And so what we decided to do is to make a list of these questions and make a video series on it. And we're hosting these videos on this page. We call it Ask the Flooring Pro, and here's how it works. So you scroll down and we have it separated out by category, and we just have these questions listed of that are kind of some of the popular questions that we get asked all the time. So let's say you're looking at vinyl plank flooring and you have a big dog. Well, people always ask, will my dog's nails scratch my vinyl plank floor? Well, you just click that, and then you're going to go to a video that we've already published on YouTube that answers that question. They're just short 2, 3, 4 minute videos, but it just directly answers that question. So it's a great resource tool because if you have a flooring project going on and you're trying to get answers to questions, well, hopefully, we have a video about it. Now, the other cool part of this, at the bottom of the page here, right here, if you don't see a question that pertains to your problem, you can submit a question to us and we'll be happy to do a video on your question. So it's really a neat section. We just started it a little bit ago. I think we have, what do we have here? 33 videos so far. And that is called Ask the Flooring Pro. We also have a blog page for floor covering. It's called our Be Floored blog. And, if you're somebody that likes to read, you really want to dive into details on different floor covering topics, then this is a great blog for you. We have articles on all kind of different stuff, and every article we write has reference links and videos and just all kind of stuff. So that's our web page real quick. We call it bestrugprices.com, and we'd love for you to come visit us sometime. So I'm going to switch over to, at some point here, if I can operate the mouse on my computer, I'm going to switch over to one of our favorite floors for laundry rooms, and it's called Karndean. And with laundry room flooring, one of the major things that you need to look at is, we feel like it needs to be a waterproof floor. If you're going to have a washing machine in your room, then odds are, from time to time you're going to spill water or whatnot. God forbid that you have a water leak or something, but you want to have a floor in your laundry room that is waterproof. And the other thing that's nice about this product, and the things that you want to look at, is a lot of times in homes, especially new homes, your laundry room is maybe a combination laundry room, mud room type of thing, or it's coming off of your garage or a back door somewhere, and you got kids and they're going to be walking in with muddy shoes or, snow on their shoes and that sort of thing. And if that's the case in your house, you definitely want to have a floor that's waterproof and kid friendly. And luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank is one of the fastest growing products in the floor covering world. And Karndean, in my opinion, has just a beautiful product line that really is selling well, and it's just a great product. It's got a lifetime warranty, and we just love it. So I just wanted to show you briefly the website. Here's what basically you have a product line. They have a wood look and a stone look. Most of the products in residential um, uh, homes these days are going to be clicked together, a tile or plank. You don't have to put it um, adhesive down on the floor. They just snap together and they're waterproof, easy installation, and they're beautiful floors. The other thing I like about Karndean is they have long boards and wide boards, and it's just a quality product. If you put this product up against some of their competitors, you can see a huge difference in the look and the style and just everything about it. So we just love this product. It works great for laundry rooms, and I'll show you some of the looks here. Let's go to the stone, and it's got it's got a lot of different stone looks. Their products are like, they can come in 12 by 24, 12 by 12, a lot of different sizes. Um, and it goes on and on. The other part that they have is they have a whole line of products that are the wood plank looks. So it's a really neat feature. The other thing that's really cool about this site is they have what's called a room visualizer, which is really a neat tool that a lot of websites and flooring have these days. But I wanted to show you briefly how this thing works. So on this site, a lot of sites have it in different locations, but in this site you go to resources, and they call it their floor style floor designer. So I'll show you how this works. You kind of come down and you can get started here to launch it. And basically what it is you can take your cell phone, snap a picture of the room that you want to do, and in this case your laundry room, and then insert that picture into the website here and plug in their different floors to see what it's going to look like. It's really cool. So I've uploaded just a picture here, I believe. Let me go to my photos. I just grabbed a picture off the internet, I believe, at some point. If I can find it, here it is. And it's going to load, and I'll show you briefly. So let's say this picture right here is your laundry room, and this is the floor that you have in it right now, and you've been shopping online and you're just trying to find a floor that's going to look good with your colors and whatnot. So you can kind of go over here and somewhere, here we go, select the floor right here. You can click that, and let's find something that's completely different in color so you can see a good visual. Let's see, that one's kind of light, so let's oh, here's one. Let's pick this one right here. So I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to click view in room, and you see it changes to that floor that I picked out. Let's do one more. So let's pick a lighter one this time. so you can see the difference. Let's see here. Well, let's just pick this one right here. So I'm going to pick this floor right here, and I'm going to view it in the room, and then it switches floor. So it's a free tool on their site, and it's just a really neat way for you to take a look at different floors and see what it looks like in your actual space. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to switch back to our site. But if you're looking for a laundry room floor, then highly encourage you to look at luxury vinyl tile and plank. We think it's the way to go. It's very, very popular. It's in style. It's waterproof. They got great scratch resistant properties. It's soil resistant. It's easy to clean. It's just a very, very good product for a laundry room. So I hope that helps in your search for products. Please visit us at bestrugprices.com, and thank you very much for watching.